Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So if you've just got your Epson ET-2850 and you're scratching your head trying to get it connected to Wi-Fi, setting up printers can feel a little tricky at first, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step, super easy and simple. By the end of the video, your printer will be happily connected to your Wi-Fi and you're ready to print straight from your phone, tablet or computer. No headaches, I promise. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to your printer's control panel. Scroll through until you find settings. Then go ahead and open it. Now, inside settings, scroll down a bit and open network settings. Alright, once you're in there, look for Wi-Fi setup and select it. Next, under Wi-Fi setup, you'll see a few options. Scroll down and choose the Wi-Fi direct method. You'll now see a screen that says Use Wi-Fi direct. Just give it a quick read if you want, then press OK to continue. Now, your printer will say something like you can use the printer from Epson Smart Panel. That's totally fine. It just means it's ready to connect. Go ahead and scroll down until you find a message saying if you don't use Epson Smart Panel. Then press the left arrow button. That'll take you to the next step. Here, scroll and select whether you're using iOS or other devices, depending on what phone or tablet you've got. Once you pick your desired device, it'll ask you to scan a code. No worries, we're about to get that. Just press the OK button to bring up the code. And there you go, a QR code will pop up right on your printer's screen. Now, grab your phone, open your camera or QR scanner and scan that code. You'll see your printer's name appear on the phone screen. Just tap on it to connect. Finally, you've got a little pop-up asking if you want to join the Wi-Fi network. Then tap on join and you're done.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.